Welcome to Easy English Talk, the place where your journey to fluency begins. Have you ever wondered how fluent English speakers think so fast in English, without translating in their heads? Today, we'll explore how you can train your brain to think in English, and speak naturally, confidently, and clearly. Section 1. Why thinking in English matters. Thinking in English is the secret key to fluency. Most learners make one big mistake. They think in their native language and then translate. But translation slows you down. It breaks your flow, causes hesitation, and leads to awkward sentences. Fluent speakers don't translate. They feel and think in English. Imagine this: you see a red apple. Instead of thinking lol seb and then converting it to red apple, your brain instantly thinks, wow, a juicy red apple. That's the power of thinking in English. Narrator. Now let's talk about how to train your brain to think in English, step by step. Step 1. Start with everyday objects. Look around you. What do you see? A chair, a phone, a door. Say their names in English out loud or in your mind. Do it daily. You're building a habit. Step 2. Use mini sentences. Go beyond just words. Say, this chair is soft. My phone battery is low. It's raining outside. Keep it short. Keep it simple. Do it often. Step 3. Internal monologue. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. While cooking, I need to cut these tomatoes. While walking, it's a sunny day. I feel good. You're training your brain to live in English. Step 4. Describe your day before bed. Review your day in English. I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I watched a video about learning English. This daily recap builds vocabulary and fluency. Step 5. Think in questions and answers. Ask yourself questions. Then answer. What do I want to eat? Maybe rice and chicken. What's the plan tomorrow? Thanks for watching Easy English Talk. Don't forget to like, comment, and